How to get an invoice from Temu. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your order section, and then you're gonna have to simply find the order that you want the invoice for. Now, as you can see here, if I go to the support and then chat with Temu, I already asked them how can I get the invoice. So as you can see, you're gonna have to go to your orders and then simply click view order details and select view receipt to check your receipt. You can click on the upper right print receipt to print your receipt. You can also log into your account through the Temu app, then simply click the human shaped button, which is the U one, select your orders, click on your order and select view receipt to check your receipt. And as you can see, currently they do not support tax invoices, credit notes. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.